Hello, my name is White Tiger and I'm here to do a tutorial on a very simple grinder. What you're going to need to begin with is a chest, a hopper, one or two water buckets depending on how well you put it together, and a pickaxe. Ladders are optional depending on how you want to get access to your chests and the access to your grinder. And I'm going to show you how to make a hopper really quick because that's the more difficult part of the machine. And it's 5 iron bars and a chest. And then now we're going to head down to my skelly spotter, which is where I'm going to be grinding. It's very good for bows and obviously arrows and bones. Very many bones. Here's my skelly spotter spot. Dun, 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 dun. Look at me in my chainmail. Pent out gold helmet. So what you want to do, you want to dig down a couple blocks, doesn't really matter how far you go, it's just a longer drop for you. I generally suggest having an exit point to begin with, just in case there's a hole underneath, but I've explored this area already, and there is iron. I'm not going to waste my time getting it now because I'm trying to put in this tutorial. Fuck you. Dun, 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 dun. Yep, probably should have brought a shovel, but I just grabbed a kit. There we go. Anyways, I'm connected to the Emerald World Minecraft server. That's mc-emeraldworld.info for anybody who on YouTube. And I'm not sure if I'm even underneath anymore. Let's see. Yeah, I can stop here, I guess. Don't accidentally break your spotter or you'll be finding another one. Clear out a square underneath. Put those back because they're just in the way. You know what? I'm greedy. I'm gonna get this freaking ore. And I'm keeping the cobble. Anyways, you're gonna want to down two. One's gonna be the chest. One's going to be the hopper. Put down the chest. By the way, if you're using permissions for lock, you're gonna have to make sure you unlock your chest to begin with, or it won't work. Anyways, put down this water bucket up here, and that should flow to the corner, and one there. Nope, sorry, this one. I'm gonna go ahead and anyways, you have to break those torches. You can always put an access door or something. That's what I did on one of mine. Just you have to come over here and break all these torches. That's cool. Ones go down there, they'll flow into the chest underneath. Put up your wall real quick before you die. Because they were in a hurry to spawn, weren't they? Close off that corner. I mean, it ain't pretty, it ain't clean, but it's effective. And that's the point. The thing is, you just have to hold shift and you sit there and kill the shit out of some skeletons.